how to fix DWP account access denied error. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is check your government status updates to confirm your DWP services are undergoing a routine maintenance, right? So after doing that, another thing that you need to do is make sure you're not using any sort of VPNs or proxy network or any sort of strict browser extension, or it could also be ad blockers, right? So if you're on your mobile phone, scroll down through your control panel, long press in here, you'll be able to see VPN. Make sure that it is turned off just like that. You can tap on it in order to turn that off if you are turned on, and do that, right? So after doing that, you can also try to open a fresh browser on your window in incognito mode or your private mode. Also, you can do that through your mobile application. Just use the incognito mode, and then you can clear all of your browsing data, and then you can rebrowse it and see if this works. If the error still persists across all devices, then you can try to call the specific DWP benefit helpline associated with your account, and I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out regarding your DWP account access denied error.